Algorithms now influence which of us get loans, which of us get released on bail, what news we read, what medical treatment we receive. Many more consequential decisions will be automated just over the horizon. And just as we would want a human decision maker with power over our lives to have a sense of ethics, we ought to want algorithms to do so too. But an algorithm is just a specified set of rules and decisions, either programmed by humans or learned from data, and often extraordinarily complex. Algorithms have no inherent morality, good or bad. So how can we give an algorithm a sense of ethics, especially when some algorithms are so complex that we can barely reason about their processes? One day we might teach algorithms ethics by example, but this is far away. For now, the work being done here at Penn and other places provides a practical answer. We can translate our ethical values into mathematical constraints that steer our algorithms towards more ethical solutions. This translation task is complex. Take one component of ethics, fairness. It's hard enough for humans to agree on what is fair, let alone to teach computers. But the good news is that computer scientists aren't working on these challenges alone. Instead, we collaborate with philosophers, legal scholars, and social scientists. Technical work today leverages philosophical notions like equality of opportunity and legal theories like disparate impact to make algorithmic decisions more fair, both in theory and, crucially, in practice. A future of powerful, yet fair and otherwise ethical algorithms is possible, but it'll take the careful marriage of science and humanistic thought to make it happen. Thanks.